everybody. Back down the woods, had to get out and update my eye operation. It's so far so good. It's a bit tender in there, right round there, but I can't scratch it or itch it. It's itchy and everything else, so I can't touch it. I've got 2 different types of eye drops to put in 4 times a day, and that's hard because I just don't like anything near my eyes, but I'm doing it. Doctors tomorrow, see what they say, or see what he says or she says. So just down with the basher, and I've got my hammock chair. I'll put that up after, but what I want to do is let people see, that those who have never seen it. That's it there. Basically it comprises of 3 parts. Got the cup, the water bottle and the stove itself. Now you can use wood, or what I have done, I've modified it for the trangia, so the trangia sits in there. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it going with wood and let everybody just see how very, very powerful stove it is. So that's the first. I'm going to use, as I said, for this one I'll use wood. There's a little clip goes into there, right, and that actually either controls your bottle, if you want to use the bottle for boiling water, or the cup. Right, the only trouble with when you're burning wood, the soot is. Right, so as I said, that's the volcano stove. It comprises of, that's the cooker. Again, you can put wood in it. You'll see that I have really given this some stick. You can put a trangia in the bottom. There's clips, clips at the base, and then it comes in 2 parts. You've got your lid, or I call it the wee cooker, wee pot, and the big pot. Now, as you can see, that's that set up there, just with a wee pan on. With wood, I prefer the trangia. In fact, what I'll do, I'll use the trangia.